Hello, and thank you for joining another Front Insider tip. This one is all about what is new in scheduling. Now, historically, scheduling a meeting over email typically involves a number of back and forth emails to find a time that works for you and your customer. But now, with the additions to Front Calendar, you can insert your availability directly into the composer and allow that recipient to book a meeting with you with a single click. Let's see how it's done. So now, when you're replying to someone from Front, scheduling time with them has never been easier. In the composer, simply click on this scheduling icon and choose one of your two options here. So let's try insert meeting times. Now you can pick directly from your calendar what availability you would like to share with this person. So I think 1 o'clock tomorrow sounds good, and I think 2 o'clock on Thursday sounds good too. You can give it a title, change the duration, add conferencing, even add additional attendees. You can add those options to email, and then you'll see those populate in the email that you can send over to your customer so they can pick the best time that works for them with a simple click. Alternatively, if you have preset times that you want to offer on a recurring basis, you might consider creating a scheduling link, which will also live in that same icon. So we can view which ones you've already made, and you can create new ones here. So I'm going to choose one that I've already made, and then it goes directly into my composer, which means that the customer can click this link and then choose the time that makes sense for them. I really hope that this was helpful. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to success@frontup.com. We'll see you next time.
So I